Hello, wonderful people. I trust you guys are doing great today and getting ready for the Xmas season. So, in this video, I am trying to change my son's plastic wardrobe, or you can call it a plastic box. I don't know what it is, but this you can put clothes there. This box or the plastic wardrobe, we got it when we packed into this our new apartment. And then we were short of resources because a lot of things need to be bought. You know, the beds, the mattress, drying and washing machine, a lot of things that we couldn't, So I decided to get this box temporarily, But when I finally got this box, I realized that it was really helpful for my son and for me. You know how? Because in this box, each and every clothes types comes in a particular section, the way I used it, I put the winter trouser, the summer trousers, and then the stockings, the inner wears, the shorts, the shirt with a short arm, and shirts and a long sleeve shirt, And I also got to print the pictures of whatever that it is in a particular compartment and then paste it in front of the outer box so that my son can see, oh, my stockings is here, oh, my jeans are there. So this helps him to dress himself up without my help, especially in the morning during the school runs. I might be in the kitchen getting the breakfast done, then he's done with brushing teeth. So I don't have to go to him and bring out the clothes that he would put on, He would just open it and say, oh, my trousers are here. And I can choose which color of trouser I want to wear today. He might decide to go with red or with blue, whatever he chose, And he does this all alone. In the beginning, we use pictures to represent whatever that it is in a particular compartment. But as he learns how to read and write, I change that to words. I use words like trousers, knickers, pants, innerwear, boxers, what have you. And this really helps him to be independent. You know what I mean? Because we mothers, we can't be everywhere at a particular time. We are also human. So this is us setting it up. It's a 2-door wardrobe, and I am happy that we were able to do this together. As you can see, all hands are on deck. Even my little girl, she's doing something. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also share, because you can never tell who you might be encouraging. This wardrobe has been sitting for 2 weeks, and I've been gathering strength to set it up, but I'm happy we finally did. So that will be all for today. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed and take care of yourself. Ciao. The next one. That's very well. And the last one.